This is my teammate Manu, Savinan, Satish, Krishna, Abhijit. We are going to explain about our developer project, Patient Monitoring System. Introduction will be taken by Savinan.
It uses Arduino, heart temperature and sensor. It relates on IoT platform. It continuously monitors the patient health, and it will be displayed on the LCD display. Later on, it will be stored data which is stored in over to. In our project, we are using components are Arduino UNO, heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, and LCD display. Arduino used for programming, and heart sensor used for calculate the heartbeats. Temperature sensor used for calculate the temperature. LCD display for display the temperature and heart rating. Over to Krishna. In our project, we selected Arduino UNO for low cost only selected. Arduino UNO is some open source software inbuilt microcontroller. As you all know, Arduino IDE software also here for writing the programs. First of all, microcontroller, in that microcontroller, Atmega 30 is microprocessor, and its operating voltage is 5 volt, and it recommended input voltage is 7 to 12 volts. It has 6 analog pins A0 to A5, and it has digital pins 14 pins. It has SRAM of 2 KB and EPROM as random overseas memory. It has 1 KB, and clock speed has 16 MHz, and it has a reset button, and the serial peripheral SPA, transmitter and receiver pins also available. So we selected this Arduino. By software Arduino IDE, first we want to connect the micro USB cable to the Arduino board. Then connect two wires from Arduino to these components. Then over to
tell about the heartbeat sensor. Heartbeat sensor is monitoring is done using heartbeat. This sensor is designed to give digital output. Heartbeat when finger is placed on it. Next over to the machine.
Those character to LCD display. LCD display is a liquid digital display. LCD display are 16 pins divided into two types of pins. Power pins, data pins. Power pins is ECC ground, VCC and ground. LCD display is a flat panel. To light modulating properties, liquid digital, combined policies. LCD display are available as arbitrary. LCD have some wide of applications. LCD monitor, TV television are used in wide of applications, including LCD televisions, computer monitors. LCD are usually in wide of applications, includes LCD televisions, computer monitors, instrument panels, aircraft quality displays, and indoor outdoor signage. Small LCD screens are common to LCD projects, are probably consume devices such as digital cameras, watches, calculators, and mobile telephones, include smartphones. LCD screens have displayed heavy, bulky and less energy different. Cathode ray CRT display is nearly all applications. LCD does not have this weakness, but are still to image persistence. LCD display does not directly emit power or
I'm going to tell about the conclusion of our project. It offers a comprehensive solution for the real-time health tracking, engaging patient care, improving clinical outcomes. It provides continuous monitoring, time alters, and data analysis. It leads to better management of health conditions and improving the quality to life of patients. Over to Abhijit.
ஏதோ சொல்கிறோம்.
Over to Krishna.
In temperature sensor, we are using
Over to Krishna.
in our project temperature sensor, we are using LMDP. It consists of 2 pins, VCC, ground and RF. That's all.